Bia Kamal ka Noor Online TV channel. Tukon ka lera mi judit ka kui Nasser. Lera ban lat gwasame. Lera danin chanon kon. Ka ta shanga dioge dani shidini. Tintere wike Nasser shiken ali shiken ga buka mi judit ka war. Ka ban raja dani shalat. Commissioner Dung Nasser bana jaling. Ka ta danin be ke dini agwele force. Tinte pin Johnson ulun kan kwang shora le ko do chalar ke jeno din to tote ke tit kedien Johnson ulun chaja kam long ko be mej baga kap ka Greater Penal State dun do she jan dan go keno belat re wicha ka Nasser ban jo kul linkel ka do danan che to ko je gwasame chala do nene belke dini tichi yong ko kwang ka shanga dioka jok rei wich ka Nasser ko shikan hali shikan ga buka mechi dit ka jan weramo shanga dioka jok jan shenge dane buka naat ka jan shikan hal shikan ga buka rei rea ka shuna chu pot ka jan weramo ka shanga dioka jok anama tuwa kor ka meshi kor cha tuwa me kor me tuwa rei wich ka Nasser ka shanga dioka mo shukan da inja ti shukan mechi kan ga dwai rei rea ka wer kan me to waka me dit to boka naat ka ka dundo tele ram ci kan jay ka do bran inshallah ka ja na kore dan ci tok me ci tok jan Friday kene Saturday gwad me shi ne dang di ci gluten kana wal doctor ta ka bot dit are kore dan kana ton karodian ana right shalat gwasa me commissioner galwak lewtep commissioner right shalat gwasa me ke ci right ka jimi dia tin shalat wonene jeni deni asas PDF ki agwelek deni agwelek tindiping Johnson ulun kana kwang shora le jena ka bini rewi ka Nasser jena kwajale kujeno ken mebeka ko bika korbu tok ki beken ko bekenetin kontila deni tinti rewi ka Nasser beken ka benger shawon wada kwai ka jana mo tara mangen manan le roda dundo mengo ke lungu wa beken ko dongde ko korbu tok ka ta dan let ye beken lo ka back of kan de kontere with kan Nasser shela de wonene entama kan de to ka da dop beke rei which kan Nasser kan Nasser chet ka gwade dan mi korme to ko jashi hali ci gorden bare wuje la jiwich dundo ku ci go dun joko mat men ku nal dwal je tama ta dan ci SSPDF ci karen jako dongde kan na de kan ka mek shirga meche tuok ka jan changa diogo moko wer me boka na ka meche dit ngwad mo shwa la da kaniti konti la SSPDF tintere we kan Nasser no kan de ni konti dwai ka meche dwai ka Nasser ma jan o kan kaniti yongo kwang jan ta dana shalat ka jen go shiga yongo kwang ka kuje mo shalon ni jen go e boka na ka wer ke ne konti re ka Nasser ko shiga na boka long no ka jan changa diogo mo ka Wednesday ka tabu dak PM ala tuk tiang jiken Nasser ton jiken shele long alo en bong no mo tene ka tan tene ka minin dang jok to boka naat ka ja no ko lokano lu naat jok re goch banoro te me banjelin kel ko dobran sha goro je kwasame resident of Nasser town in Upper Nile state were thrown into panic on Wednesday night after a brief but alarming shelling incident reportedly triggered by a drunken soldiers as SPDF soldiers. The incident has further heightened tension in the area, which has been struggling to recover from violent clash last week between Army local youth and members of the South Sudan People Defense Force (SSPDF). Those clashes, which began on Friday and continue into Saturday, left at least 5 people dead and 13 others injured, prompting civilians to flee the town. Nasser County Commissioner Galwak Leotief confirmed the shelling, describing it as unintended but deeply unsettling for residents. On Wednesday at 8 p.m., there was a shelling in Nasser town which lasted just 3 minutes. Civilians who had started returning to the town in recent days were forced to flee again. Commissioner Galluak explained that the SPDF commander had contacted him following the incident, attributing the shelling to soldiers who was under the influence of alcohol. The commander assured me that the shelling was accident and caused by drunken soldiers, Galluak said. Despite the explanation, the incident has exacerbated fear among residents, particularly as SSPDF forces have been moving into the area. According to Galluak, troops are being transported from Malakal to Nasser on barge to replace existing force, and development that has fueled speculation and anxiety among civilians. The resident thought the shelling might have been intended to chase them out of the town because of the new deployment, he added. Efforts to reach SSPDF commander Debin Majur for further comment were unsuccessful. The situation in Nasser remained fragile with an easy calm prevailing. Yen chalinga along with the pin kan na gwamat ko kan de ni kontin te pin gana dang ro ngot kan ka be ne ka da dob jal kan ka baburi ban leridin ban yele ni nywa kel gorno bi nywa na sin ko ken bi ateka mal bye bye.